way you move make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there.
You are why we can't even get out of this house. Look, we're just playing back and forth with you. She's covering the whole bed. Addie, grab her from there. She's covering the whole bed in a matter of like seconds. And then now she's standing. Hey! Monkeys always fall off the bed. You better sit down. Oh! Oh!
Get back up again.
You know mommy just made this bed, right? Wait. Go. Beat your sister up. Beat her up. Say, Addie, you're supposed to go do your hair. Step on her. Step on her.
No,
Do it. Do it. Do it. We finally made it out of the house and it's only gonna be like 3 o'clock. I should have like had the kids' clothes ready the night before and then just gotten them ready and headed out, but no, I had to get everything ready today. She agrees. She thinks mommy should have had everything ready too. The heat is just too much that you really don't want to do anything outside because you feel like you're gonna pass out. So we're trying to find some indoor fun to do, and today we're going to a library. Not that the kids think it's like the funnest thing in the world, but that's where we're going because Addie has to pick up some books on her reading list for the summer, and the kids have to just pick up some books. They don't have a reading list to work out of, but they're just gonna read anyway. So we're at the AC. We're at the library, which has AC in it. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna drop her off. Ah, parenting fail. I can't believe I just did that. I left the library cards at home. I can't believe I just did that.
No, I actually want to go in there.
Mommy brain.
So mom forgot the library cards at home. We're going to go to the science museum, and my mom's actually just getting Mila out and into the stroller. It's responsible.
Oh, I just woke her up too.
Responsible mom.
Follow the way of the world. I'm flying high, staying free as a bird. If you're searching for more than I am, you better look again, 'cause it's only fun and games.
Jalen, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make her like a house. See, no. Don't.
She's trying to surround Mila. Oh my goodness. She doesn't even realize it. Mila, Jalen's trying to imprison you. She's like, I'm just gonna help her build the wall.
Yeah, but I'm trying to make her like a castle. See what? Maybe like I'll knock it down.
Uh-oh. I don't think we can take her out of here. You're supposed to put that back. Go put it back. She's like, nope, it's coming with me. You can't go out that way. You can't go out that way. Come here. You gonna see the fishies? Wow. Oh, she's like, oh, that one's a big one. He is big. Where's Jalen? Look, Jalen's in there.
Mila, look.
Oh, I remember when you couldn't walk through there the last time. Watch your heads, okay? Yeah, you go see the fish?
Oh my god.
Wait, go back with Jalen. Jalen's gonna show you the fishies. She's like, I don't get how this works. I want to go back.
Center guests, can I have Tima to the front desk? Your party's waiting. Tima to the front desk. Thank you.
Look at Jalen and Tristan. Do you see them? She doesn't even realize they're in there. Look, do you see them? Oh, is she taking a selfie? Look at that. Just like Jalen. Aren't they silly? They're in the tank. You guys see the one that's hiding? That looks really cool, right? The way it blends in.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna record it and put it on Instagram.
Yep. Of course, because it has to go on Instagram.
It's hiding. How would people find a hiding fish in the aquarium?
Stingray. Oh, look at the turtles. They're so cute swimming. Oh, hey, buddy. Aww.
And there's also.
Oh, look, Tristan, look at the little gators.
Okay.
This one right there. Think he's sleepy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if we ever vlogged Rocky, which was our Red Devil cichlid, but that's about how big he was. He looks just like that. Except he was a little bit more territorial, so he would always bang on the glass. You remember him? Yeah.
I remember when we got to meet him.
Yeah, and we know he couldn't make the move, so Nico had to let him go in Branch Brook Park.
Then there's another amazing fish next to it.
Oh, I think Mila's done with this section. Mila, are you leaving us? She's like, all right, I want to go back to the Legos.
Every time you want me to start eating it. Where'd you get it? I am Mowgli from the jungle and I'm gonna make everyone make a sound. I summoned the jungle!
No, that's not how it goes. She's taking them out of there and she's putting them in here. We're gonna have to pick those up. Uh-oh. The caterpillar going yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness. She's gonna empty out that whole board and just put them all in there. We all know the last time you went in there, it was cute, but let's see how you react this time around. Go ahead, go with Jalen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! She's like, get me out, get me out. Yay! She's like, I don't like this, I don't like this. Alright guys. Come on. Come on. She's like, oh, that's not for me, right? You didn't like it, no. And she's like, let's go do something else. Come here, look at them. at her, her tippy toes. She's trying to grab the ball from them. Oh.
Okay, so whoever catches it. One, two, three,
Go! You made it! I thought she was gonna keep running and then she couldn't stop, but she made it. We're back in here, huh? Guess this is where we're gonna end our day. Are you happy to see Daddy? Yeah? Like climbing up all over Daddy?
Yep.
I love the combination, hon. Dress shirt, basketball shorts.
Oh,
Mila?
I feel like I'm on the island. All I need is a coconut and some sandals.
Some sandals. Come here. Oh, we paused the show and she's like, can I put it back on? Excuse you.
Yeah, she turned it back on. Play soon.